Okay, I'm going to turn the light off soon. You little peeper. This one peeps all the time. Hello. Oh, you want to see my hand? Here it is. Yeah. Hi. Oh. Come on. Where's all the rest of you? Well, everybody looks totally healthy at the moment. So hopefully tomorrow morning I don't have another chicken dying. I really don't understand it. But, come on kids, come on out. Let the people see you. I can't lift this as well now because I don't have anything to support it. So, kind of maybe, come on out. Come on out. Come on. Come on, kids. Whoa. It's okay. I'm not going to let it fall on you. All right. So that's how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, I have 7. All right. So ultimately 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That doesn't seem right. I thought I ordered 6 each time. Anyway, no more deaths, we hope. All right. Ta-ta for now.